An inference is basically just an educated guess. It's not just something that you pulled out of thin air though. It's a conclusion that you get to using reason and logic. When making inferences, you combine what you already know about the world around you and add to it what you see in front of you. That's your inference. You are already making hundreds of inferences every day. Say you are set to meet your friend for dinner. You're waiting at the restaurant and you get this text. Now, he hasn't specifically said that he's going to be late, but we know that if traffic is bad, that generally makes people late, and there would be no reason to be texting about the terrible traffic unless you were stuck in it. And if he is apologising, that means that something has probably gone wrong. We take what we know about traffic and the dinner plans and we add it to the information in this text and make the inference that your friend will be late. How about this one? You receive this text from your friend Lydia, but then later that night you see Lydia is posing doing a photo shoot on her Instagram story. We can probably infer that Lydia has lied and that she isn't sick but bailed on your plans to try and up her Instagram following. To take this further, we could also probably infer that Lydia values her dream of becoming a rich and famous Instagram influencer more than values like honesty or friendship. Now let's look at how we can make inferences from a text. Think about this question. What inferences can you make that tell us how the writer feels about tattoos? Her body was slathered in them like a pig that had been rolling in the mud. It was hard to distinguish each design from the next, being so tightly crammed in on every available inch of her skin like rats in a trap, all crawling all over each other. You read this and you can tell pretty quickly that the writer isn't keen on tattoos, but it doesn't say so explicitly. So how do you know? Well, you've just made an inference. The writer uses certain descriptive language. Rats in a trap, pig in mud. These are similes. They're also animal imagery, and these animals have connotations of dirt or disease. They're also words, rat, pig, that could be used as insults. From this, we can make the inference that the writer is disgusted or insulted by tattooing, or wants to insult the people that have tattoos and sees them in some way as dirty. So, what is an inference? When making inferences, you're just combining what you already know about the world around you and adding it to what you see in front of you. That's your inference.